Oh, what did I eat, man? Wipe out. Oh, what did I eat, man? Oh, Jesus. Hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing. Hello everyone, Wagwanius. My name is Justin Mershon. Coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. This week vlog video, well basically I do another challenge. The one is called the football challenge. So basically I challenge the old man as usual. And we are going to see what he can do with the ball. Let's get on to the video.
Here we go. Stand by.
Here's to the boy wonder, the kid, the miracle man, the keeper's nightmare,
Jesus.
the phenomenon, unstoppable, the number 9. Here's to Ronaldo, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned for more. And now something I found to remind you how it should be. When you are a kid, it's easy. You are not afraid to try, to dare. You do it just because you like it.
Dirty boy! Oh, dirty boy!
So my advice to you is never grow up, my friends.
Rush them to like the video.
no, 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 no.
Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the right.